This house, nestled in nature, is located in Serra da Moeda, approximately 30 kilometers from Belo Horizonte, Brazil. The land has Atlantic forest as native vegetation, with several stones and large trees, and has a sharp slope, which allows an impressive view of the mountains. Inserted as a horizontal element, the House of Stones starts from a plateau and unfolds to occupy the space between the trees, embrace the large rocks, and direct towards the view. It consists of 2 levels, with practically all the private spaces on the upper level and the leisure spaces on the lower level. The main access is through a porch located in the center of the private floor. From this space, you can access the living room with an integrated kitchen or the side porch that leads to the 4 bedrooms. The house has open circulation areas to enjoy the landscape and fresh mountain air. Large openings, ample frames, and free circulation allow the family to enjoy the landscape, natural lighting, and fresh air while they rest. The bedroom block stands out from the terrain and projects as a cantilever among the treetops, creating an intense relationship with the place. To seek inspiration, the architects at TETRO Architecture did not have to look far. According to them, the house is a response to the characteristics of the place. The inspiration came from a careful observation of what we found on the land itself, or in the region, and from conversations with the owner. The lower level can be accessed via an external staircase attached to the living room, or by a stone staircase alongside the house and over the natural terrain. It was conceived with a mixed structure of concrete and steel. The house's volume is structured in concrete, creating large overhangs among the trees. The roof over the social spaces was designed as a single pitch roof with a metal structure and wood lining. Its shape, in addition to increasing the ceiling height of these spaces, opens up to the view of the mountains. On this lower level, there is a gourmet space with a seating area, changing rooms, and a playground for children.